How many of you like the glass noodle? I do. Today I want to share my recipe stream prawn with the glass noodle. Let's start it.
Just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. On Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
Within less than 10 minutes, we got the hot pot with shrimp and glass noodle already. Wow, that's so good. The noodle is more tasty when you eat with the bacon jerky. I hope you enjoy my simple glass noodle recipe. ขอบคุณมากค่ะ and see you next time.
Christmas song.